Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple chicken and potato curry. Lovely Indian spices in there. It's really delicious, doesn't take long at all. Get your rice on. So let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some potatoes here. Peeled them, washed them, cut them into nice bite-sized pieces. There's my chicken. The chicken's been cut roughly the same sort of size as the potatoes. Breast chicken, no skin, no bone. And as you can see, I've probably got about twice as much potatoes to chicken. You can change that if you want. 2 large tomatoes cut. Try and get a nice ripe tomato. 1 large onion chopped. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. These are curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they're fantastic. If you cannot, try and get them dried. Here we've got our spices. We've got equal parts here, like a teaspoon each of the following: turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, optional as to the amount of green chilies that you put in, fresh chilies. And here I've just got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. That's about it. It's really delicious and super easy. Okay, let's get started on this then. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. We're getting that hot. I'm going to drop in there my cumin seeds and just let them do their thing for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil. Here we go with the fresh curry leaves. Sometimes can be very noisy. Let's see. Not too bad. Then we're going to drop in our onion, cut nice and small, and our potatoes. 4 minutes on an above medium heat. Keep it moving. See you then. Beautiful. Potatoes are still really hard. I'm now going to put in our garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in a store, in a jar. If you want, we make our own fresh one here because we use loads of it all the time. Fresh chili, in that goes. Let me get some salt in there. Now we're going to add our chicken. Like I said, the chicken is breast chicken with no skin and no bone. Cut roughly the same size as the potatoes. Then we're going to drop in our spices. So let's just take a look at them one more time. Equal parts here. Now if you want, you could just use a curry powder, but I'm going to go this way. Equal parts of turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. Now garam masala powder is usually something that goes in at the end, like a finishing spice, but I'm just popping it in right now. It's a blend of different spices. Okay, about another 4 minutes on this above medium heat. Keep it moving now. We don't want the spices to burn. If they burn, they will become bitter, so keep it moving. Okay, great stuff, looking absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do now is drop in that fresh tomato. Like I say, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. I'm going to add a little splash of water. We're going to stay on this heat. We're going to get a lid on this and we're going to leave it for 5 minutes. What we want to happen is for those tomatoes to break down a little bit. They might even give off a little bit more moisture. So look, 5 minutes. See you then. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer now, nice and low. Let's jump in and take a look. As you can see, the tomatoes are breaking down beautifully. Now what we want to do is just go now on this nice low heat with the lid on, just until you get your potatoes nice and tender. If you didn't get any moisture like this, you can just add a bit more water. For me, that's enough gravy or masala. So yeah, nice low heat. I'm going to go for about another 5 minutes. I think those potatoes will be ready then. And off goes the heat. Lid off. Let's get some steam out of there. Those potatoes are going to be absolutely divine. We're going to go for some salt. We're going to go with some chopped cilantro or coriander. I'm going to give that a mix in, and I'll see you at the table. That is beautiful. And there you go, beautiful. Very, very simple to make. Absolutely delicious. Get your rice ready. I actually prefer to eat that with some bread, like a naan or a paratha or something, to be honest. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel. Please give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment. Please, please, please. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.